Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your PayPal from Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove PayPal as a payment option in Acuity scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes PayPal could put your payments on hold. So maybe you want to go ahead and just completely remove it as a payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove or disconnect your PayPal, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button, Payment Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for the PayPal logo, and underneath there, you should see your email address associated with your PayPal account. And in order to disconnect or remove your PayPal, you're going to click on this red disconnect button underneath. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning. They let you know if you disconnect your PayPal, PayPal is no longer going to be available as a payment option. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on the red disconnect button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see, PayPal is no longer connected in my Acuity scheduling unless I come back in here and reconnect it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove PayPal in your Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.